Today I have 3 DIYs. One is I am making a wreath for my front door, and I will make it out of material, sewing material, and I have a pillow cover that I cut the decorative part off to put on the material. Also, finally getting to covering my footstool and showing you how I will cover the area that's broken on my coffee table. And I want to keep my coffee table because it's made of real wood and it's from years and years gone by. So I like that. And I'm inviting you to stay tuned. Let's start with the wreath. Of course, I have my glue gun and scissors. Here is the pillow cover. I have already started to cut it out. Okay, we're going to finish that. And here is the material that I'm going to use on my wire wreath and on the stool that I showed you. I'm going to finish cutting off of this pillowcase. I got this from Temu about a year or so back. I like the base, of course. You know, I have a lot of these in my home. But me just putting it over the material, I didn't like the brown of the material that it is encased in this pillow cover. So I'm going to finish cutting it out. I have to trim it up. Okay. Now, let me show you. I had already had glued this on last night. This particular material. And it just was a flat sheet that I had that I was going to use. But then I didn't like it because the blue was, although they can interact together, I just had an idea to finish using the rest of this after I cut the amount I needed for my stool. And before I paste it on, let me show you. Isn't that pretty? And it's something different, and I like different. I do have a pillow with some flowers on it. I might do something like that for the fall season. But all I'm going to do is secure it with glue. Just securing it with glue. And I'll do that, and I'll be back. Okay. Now let's put the base on it that I cut from the pillow cover. I'm just going to put some glue on it. Okay, hold on. I'm going to put it on the door so you can see where I place it. I'm going to go over and put it on the door. Let's take a closer look. And there, oh, I like it very much. What you think? Let's go on to the second DIY. On to the second. Now this is the stool. I've already taken the legs off. And the cover was white, if you remember. So I'm going to color this, use this color that I just did the door wreath with. and I'll be right back. All right, I'm finishing up on the stool. I'm gonna put the legs back on. Okay, here's the stool. All right, now let's go put it back where it's supposed to be, and I'll show you.